Get used to this view. You're going to be seeing it a lot in superhero movies once Hollywood finds out about it. Or you can buy a penthouse in this new apartment block for $80 million plus. That's 3 billion rubles and change to you, sir. And look out from it every day. Well, every day that you're not in one of your other 5 homes. This is what they call a helicopter view, and it's the main attraction of 432 Park Avenue, soon to open as the tallest residential building in New York. Actually, at 1,396 feet, the roof is higher than the new World Trade Center and the Empire State Building, if you don't count their spires and masts. The developer, Harry Macklow, says he doesn't expect any trouble filling the 104 apartments. Right now there's only thin orange plastic mesh around this, the 93rd of 96 floors, so you don't want to be tripping up here, in any sense. The tower already dominates New York's midtown skyline. It's built on Park Avenue between 56th and 57th Streets, but can be seen for miles around in all directions. Except, if you can't be too rich, can you be too thin? From some angles, it looks like a millionaire's matchstick. Whatever. As the day draws to an end, the sunset views are truly spectacular. And at night, you get to watch the light show as New York goes home. But you don't have to go anywhere. You're already there.